Alongside our NBA insiders, Youngmisuk and Chris Haynes, our draft guru, Jonathan Gavoni, stopping by in a moment to talk about big news in the college basketball world. And look, I mean, it may be August 8th, but the news can't stop, won't stop. We'll also be unveiling the NBA opening week schedule shortly, so definitely don't miss that. But we begin with Christmas in August. The ESPN ABC Christmas Day lineup was leaked yesterday and confirmed by leaked sources. The annual holiday within a holiday starts at noon Eastern on ESPN with Giannis and the Bucks facing the Knicks in the Garden. That game is followed by a triple header on ABC, Thunder Rockets, then Sixers Celtics, and Lakers Warriors. Then back over on ESPN, get your eggnog in hand. Don't know what else you got in there, but we end the day with Blazers and Jazz. So, Chris, which game are you most looking forward to?
Portland, Utah.
Okay.
No.
Tell it to me.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. You know what? I'm going to go a little bit off the side. I know that Lakers Golden State is definitely going to be appealing, but Boston, Philly. That is going to be the two teams that we're going to be looking at for years to come. And this can be the start of a budding rivalry because these are two teams that we think are going to be there in the thick of things for years to come. So I'm going with Ben Simmons, Joel Embiid against Jason Tatum, Jaylen Brown.
That's the most. You're picking that East Coast matchup.
No doubt. Give us some love.
All right, what about you?
It's got to be Warriors, Lakers. Besides the fact that I get to see my homie here on Christmas, I'll bring you a gift.
Hey,
Christmas.
You bring me a gift, you invite to the cook-off on that.
Look, I was a little surprised by this. I thought it was going to be Rockets-Warriors, but I'll take LeBron against the Warriors, hopefully for the first time this season, which it's got to be. I think Lonzo Ball will probably be healthy by then. He'll be raring to go. I think they will have had about a month and a half for Luke Walton to kind of get things together with those new pieces. Very excited to see how the Lakers measure up against the defending champs.
I mean, I know you're our Lakers reporter, but you were surprised because are you saying that the Rockets and Warriors is the premier matchup?
Yes.
And that should be.
Yeah, and I thought
Christmas
maybe
Day?
that rematch would have been hyped up for Christmas, and then maybe we would have gotten like Lakers, Celtics, something like that.
But that shows the star power of LeBron James.
Yeah.
Yes.
That he can tilt things just like
But
that.
isn't it a little weird, though, that the Lakers aren't playing at home on Christmas and they're white?
First of all, let's not argue with the basketball guys.
No, it doesn't seem weird because it's the Warriors.
It's
and
the
defending
Warriors.
champs.
Yeah.
And I got to stay home for Christmas.
We'll dive a little bit more into the Christmas Day schedule a little bit, but